We are pleased to show you the 2018 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, rain sensing wipers. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.